dangers of OxyContin and enrich themselves. And now they want to, scoot away by declaring bankruptcy and saying, oh, they want to pay damages. But be aware that they knew exactly what they were doing. Edward Snowden, I don't know how you feel about him, but his memoirs go on sale today.
Right.
He's the former National Security Agency contractor who leaked reams of classified information back in 2013 detailing the agency's surveillance program. Permanent record is his account of why he did what he did. 114.
This is the critical importance of journalism, particularly in this moment that we have today. The distance between speculation and fact is everything in a democracy, because that's what lets us, as we did post-2013, change our laws.
Snowden now lives in exile in Moscow and remains a divisive figure here at home, seen by some as a traitor and by others as a hero and a whistleblower. I do take pause when I see that he lives in Russia.